Hey guys, this is Sophia, and today we're going to be learning how to make a snow globe. Let's get started. Okay, so the things you're going to need for this project are a glass jar. It doesn't matter what kind of jar you have. You could use a pickle jar, you could use a ball jar. I have a ball jar. Some baby oil, some glitter. I have gold and silver. It does not matter what color you have. A little figurine to put in your snow globe. Some glue sticks to go into a glue gun, and of course a hot glue gun. So the first thing you're going to need to do is get your jar, and I'm just going to get the lid. My hot glue gun is warm enough now, and then you're also going to need your figurine. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top part and I'm going to put some glue on the outer edge, and then I'm going to stick it in here so it stays. Okay, so I finished putting the glue on here, and you have to be very quick because it dries very quickly. And then I just did another layer around here to make it even more secure. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your figurine and you're going to put glue all over its feet and put it right in the middle of the cap. Okay, so as you can see, I have glued my figurine onto my cap so it is ready to screw on for the snow globe. You can go ahead and unplug your glue gun because we won't be needing it for a while. Next, we're going to work on the snow globe's fillings. So, I'm just going to take my glitter. I'm going to go ahead and pour all of it in here because I want a lot of filling. This is a big jar, so you need a lot of glitter. And I'm going to add some of this glitter. It's going to be silver and gold. Okay? And now you're going to take your baby oil and you're just going to fill the thing up to like this mark where you only have like a centimeter of space left. You're going to start filling. So I added all of my baby oil, and this is what my jar looks like. And then you're going to take your glue gun, plug it back in, and you're going to put glue on the outer edge of this, and then screw it on. So here we go. I have my glitter and my new figure in my new snow globe. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.